everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Holi is around the corner and I know a lot of you might want to play Holi but you are afraid because you have oily skin and pimple prone skin. Same is the case with me. I get a lot of pimples, a lot of acne and I love to play Holi. But I have some tips and tricks which you can use to protect your pimples from very harsh colors. So I'm going to be sharing some methods which you can use to protect your pimples during Holi, and there are some methods which you can do pre-Holi and there are some tips and tricks which you can do post-Holi. So I'm going to be telling you all about that. But before going further, if you like my videos then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. So the first thing that you have to do is to apply ice all over your face, because if you have open pores, it will shrink your pores and Holi ka color जो है वो अंदर नहीं जा पाएगा. So you have to apply ice all over your face. So the second thing that you have to do is to use coconut oil. Yes, and I'm using this coconut oil because it just protects your face and it's very easy to get rid of the hard color if you apply this. So don't forget to apply oil before going out for the Holi. So the third thing which I additionally use, which a lot of people don't do, is to use a sunscreen. I know after applying coconut oil it just becomes very oily, but I really like this. This is SPF 30 and it suits my face. I know it's a little oily, but it will protect your face from sun, but again it will moisturize your face. So I like this one and I use this sunscreen. So the third thing which I like applying is this Vaseline. I apply it all over my lips and also on my ears, and it will protect your lips and your ears as well. So these are the things that you have to do pre-Holi, and now I'm going to show you what you can do after Holi when you have all that pakka rang on your face and you cannot get rid of that. The first thing that you have to do after Holi is to wash your face very properly and very gently, because you don't want to irritate your pimples. So the second thing that you have to do is to use a scrub just to exfoliate your skin, and you can get rid of your dead skin cells. And if you have some Holi colors stuck in your pores, then scrub will help you remove that. And I'm using this scrub which I made by myself. So I'll be using this coffee scrub with a little bit of honey just to mix it well and apply it all over your face. Gently massage it all over your face and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Now you're all fresh. So the third thing that you have to do after Holi is to make a face mask, and I'm going to use all the homemade products because I can rely on that. So the first thing that you are going to need is a little bit besan. You have to squeeze a lemon on it. Then you have to use honey a little bit. Milk is optional but I'm using it because I like it. And then you have to make it a paste, then apply it all over your face and keep it on your face for about 15 minutes, and then at the end wash it off with lukewarm water and you are good to go. I think all your color would be removed by now. So now you're good to go and you can play Holi as much as you can. So yes, that was it for the video guys. I hope you liked this video, and a very happy and safe Holi. Be safe, enjoy your day and protect your face as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.